Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and it's Tuesday. It's the 6 p.m. video, and these are stocks that are under my radar. It looks like the stocks that I've been giving out have made a lot of people a lot of money. I've got a portfolio that's tracking those stocks. Will we add new stocks to that portfolio today? We might as well. Nonetheless, it's been a very popular so far video series of stocks that you need to be made aware of. And the first thing I'm going to do is I get into the software. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you be careful with these picks right now. Noticing that the market is moving down. So why are we talking about stocks under the radar? Because these are in very interesting industries, hot industries, and may still have the wherewithal to keep moving up. So I want to let you know right from the onset, this video tonight about stocks under the radar are for the more aggressive people. That's what I'm looking at. But I also want to take a look at what VectorVest thinks about these stocks. Are they good quality stocks that may have the opportunity to keep going up because they are in hot industries? We will make that determination as we go through the process. And again, stay to the end. I'm going to show you the portfolio of the stocks that I've been doing for this series and show you just what they've been doing. All right. The first stock on my list is called Priority Technology Holdings. Ticker symbol PRTH. It trades on the NASDAQ. It's trading at $9.44. Even on a day when the market is going down, this stock is up 2.83%. Again, I think that the stocks that I'm going to be talking about are good quality stocks for the most part that are under the radar, that are in very interesting industries. So we look at PRTH. It is a solutions provider in the payments and banking as a service industry, operating on a scale with 860,000 active customers across its small and medium-sized businesses, business to business, and enterprise customer channels. It's a fintech company. All right, fintech is a hot industry that we know that's going on right now, and this is a stock that's under $10 on a down day, going up in price, something to keep on your radar. Next one is Powerfleet. Ticker symbol AIOT. I know that Ryan likes Internet of Things. This is interesting. It's a provider of artificial Internet of Things. Artificial intelligence, still a hot space. Software as a service solution, which includes valuable business intelligence for managing high-value enterprise assets. The company delivers advanced mobility solutions that connect assets to increase visibility, operational efficiency, and profitability by leveraging its Unity platform product strategy. As I look at this, it's sort of like, in my mind, another Palantir taking data, making it for useful information. It's trading at $7.04. Again, on a down day in the market, it's up 1.2%, but it's AI related, so you would think that it would have the wherewithal to keep moving up. Next one, ICAGY, interesting. New 52-week high today, trading at $7.60. It's up today about 0.8%. Look at that equity curve. Good googly moogly. It's in the travel space, all right? And travel stocks are still moving. I got a story on this, several stories. Should value investors buy international consolidated airlines? Best growth stocks to buy for December, it makes that list, are transportation stocks. Interesting, lagging international consolidated airlines. Companies like Zim, which people buy specifically for the dividend. Is this even better than a Zim as a transportation stock? So transportation is moving, but I don't know how many people, how many of you knew of ICAGY? If you do, just type in new, K-N-E-W. If you didn't know, type in DK for didn't know. All right, I'm just curious to know if you knew about this stock or not. It's a cheap stock. 6-month graph looks really, really good in the travel space, and that the story is talking about, are the travel stocks lagging behind ICAGY. We'll see. This is one that I really like. Wave, EcoWave Power Global, trading at $15.75 on a down day, up 11.7%. Now, the cool thing about this is it's changing. It's a hydro company. It takes water into electricity. And the story that caught my attention that I wanted to look at this was all about EcoWave Power debuts Israel's first wave energy project at Jaffa Port. If this works out well, this could be a stock that could take off like nobody's business. Again, under the radar, and this is what I strive to find for you in regards to my under the radar stocks. Another one. So we know that quantum computing is a big thing right now. This is WIMI Hologram Cloud. What's cool about this, one, it's a really cheap stock. All right, it's a penny stock. 91 cents, up 13% today. Now, if you look at that you look at that and go, man, that's just a little move after all of this stuff that's going on. But quantum computing has definitely made big strides in a short amount of time. This is all about holograms in unison with quantum computing. This could be a very interesting play at 89.90 cents. Next story I have on it, though, WIMI develops a new design solution for simulating quantum computing concepts using FPGA. What the flying flip is FPGA? Well, I went out and asked Google what the heck was that, and came up with field programmable gate array is a type of configurable integrated circuit that can be repeatedly programmed after manufacturing. FPGAs are a subset of logic devices referred to as programmable logic devices. Sounds like a whole nother technology to be used in conjunction with quantum computing, which is such a hot space. So I added this stock. All right, so those are my 5 stocks. I'm going to get into the software real quick. Again, looking at what's going on from the market timing perspective. I tell you to be very careful with all of these. Yes, these stocks are moving up on a down day, but I need you guys to have these stocks on your radar because they could have big upside potential. Thus, they are in my under the radar view. So, I'm going to go to the viewers. Here's my 5 stocks. I wanted to see what kind of momentum they had from the beginning of the year to where we are right now. I went to the first trading day of January in 2024. I'm going to quick test these. Notice 259% so far from the first trading day of January until right now blows the VectorVest composite out of the water. So these stocks have momentum. Abso-freaking-lutely. Wave, the stock that I'm very interested in, is up 911%. PRTH, the technology company, up 168%. The stock that catches my attention as not such a great big mover over the year is the low dollar stock. Now, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to bring this up into current. Let's see what these stocks are all about. I'm looking at 3 of my under the radar stocks that have relative values above 1. These stocks have the best upside potential. Wave and WIMI happen to be my more aggressive speculative plays, but I like hydrogen or hydro moving from water to electricity. And I like this hologram stock only because of the explosion in quantum computing. But notice that the other 3 do have upsides, relative values above 1. These stocks should outperform a AAA corporate bond over the next 1 to 3 years. 400 of the stocks go up more than not with a CI above 1. And 3 of the stocks have earnings growth rates double digits above 20. So, yes, they are under the radar. 2 of them are more speculative than the other 3, but I think this is a good balanced list of stocks that not a lot of people are talking about right now that could bring a lot of money into your portfolio soon. Now, I told you that if you stayed with me, I'd show you the results of a lot of the stocks that we've talked about on Tuesdays. Go to portfolios. I've got a portfolio. Rock Your World, radar stocks, up 19.24%, pulled back a little bit. Now, all of the stocks that I was in recently got stopped out. So I've replaced them with stocks from tonight's video. Notice that as I record the video, two of my most speculative stocks are the two that are making money right now. Wave up 2.68%, WIMI up 2.49%. The other three are still waiting to get into the positive, but a 19% portfolio tracking all the way from 11/21. We're sitting on about a month's worth of these videos, and we're up 19%. Man, if you're not watching this every week, you should be, and you should be inviting friends to be joining in as well. So that's where the portfolio sits. These are my 5 stocks that I have for my next tranche of stocks that are under the radar. And hopefully I brought some new stocks to your attention. But always remember, given the market's conditions, make sure that before you place any of these trades that they're moving up before you buy them, especially in the current market's conditions. Folks, if you're brand new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, especially if these stocks have been giving you opportunities to make money. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell icon as well. Everybody else, if you continue to like these videos on Tuesdays of Under the Radar stocks, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you share this content so that we can let other people know what we're doing here at VectorVest, all right? Because that's what it's all about. We want to make you money. We want to do the work. You reap the rewards. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, Glenn here. Just need to tell you again, the Tampa 2-day seminar, which is our flagship seminar that we start every year off right with, is about to happen. And if you're looking to go live, you still got a little bit of time left to get a seat. Go to www.vectorvest.com/Tampa to reserve your live seat. Folks, I'm going to be there. Joey's going to be there. We're going to be there live. You can spend time with us and talk with us. Once again, www.vectorvest.com/Tampa.